Good day, everyone. And this is how we make carbonizer, CRH, here in Bohol. So the things that we're going to use to make a CRH is this one, the carbonizer thing. So, and we need some papers to ignite the fire and chop woods. And of course, we need a rice hull. And the wood. Around. Yeah. Put some cartons in the middle. Light the fire. Cartons in the middle. Make it a little bit tighter. The fire is igniting very well, so you can let the carbonizer stand. So this time we will put the rice husk around, all around. To add more wood, okay, you can put it in the chimney. Okay, we should cover the burned rice husk so that it will not be exposed to the air, that it will not become ashes. So the same thing that you're going to do every time there is a black thing. Cover it. Alright. Wait for that. So it's 70% now burned or black. So we will mix this one all to complete the process. Okay, the process is almost done, so we'll just keep on mixing the circle. 90%, 97%. It's almost. The last step is to add water to stop the rice hull from burning.
Done?
Done.